That's a symbol for us that there's some spin, that there's some actual spin in this storm that could be making its way to the ground. So it's a tornado warning, and it is in effect until 9:45. There is rotation getting picked up by the radar in this storm, but into the day tomorrow, we're going to see a little kickback in this moisture, and this could stir up a shower or thunderstorm tomorrow.
It doesn't feel like fall. Fall's tomorrow.
It does not. Mother Nature went to get her latte today. She said, forget the pumpkin. We only want the spice. And look at these temperatures.
And we are seeing many creeks and streams at their capacity. This is Turtle Creek, and it looks more like a fast-moving rapid.
Ray Petelin is here. Lots of those storms already popping across the area.
Yeah, and some of them are even severe. Scary and severe, completely different stories to be. And you can see here, I'm getting a little accumulation of snow on me because it started snowing today and really hasn't quit.
At Kennywood, Ray Petelin, Pittsburgh's Action News 4.
Well, we have a severe thunderstorm warning to start off Pittsburgh's action weather. This for Allegheny County, this until 7 o'clock. This cluster of storms has not moved much, so it's feeding in these strong winds to the tune of 60 miles per hour. So this could cause some damage. There's a potential for hail. We've seen video of small hail from these storms and the heavy rain. I think that's one of the other big things to worry about. There's also a flood warning that's in effect now until 9:30 because this storm hasn't moved much and it's just been dumping a lot of heavy rain. We had another severe thunderstorm earlier. This has already expired. This was for northern Beaver County and southern Lawrence County. Still some rain around here, but the flood advisory and flood warning associated with these storms that were much bigger not too long ago is going to be allowed to expire at 7 o'clock. Now, we've seen smaller little storms near Butler as you get into northern Armstrong, southern Clarion County, and then as you get into Jefferson County, that's where we have another flood warning because of the heavy rain with those storms, and a couple more trying to pop up as you get into Washington County, northern Greene County, and back into the northern panhandle of West Virginia. So several storms around. We're not done just yet, and that rain's starting to kick back into downtown Pittsburgh. Most of it has been off to the east to this point. Now we're seeing that rain kicking back into the city. Dew point at 70. That tells us that it's very, very humid outside, and that's a lot of moisture that these storms have to work with. So any storms that develop are going to have heavy rain. 88 degrees right now. It feels, though, like 93 once you factor in that very humid air and the 88 degrees that we have outside. Now, Du Bois, 68 degrees right now. That's because they've been sitting under heavy rain for hours. That's giving us rain-cooled air up in Du Bois. Most temperatures in the mid to upper 80s, 88 Pittsburgh, 87 West Mifflin, 84 Washington, close to 90 in Wheeling. So very heavy rain, storms, heat, humidity all coming through. And you can see they're lined up to the north. Several storms back in Ohio. These are going to try to inch toward us as we go through the evening hours and into tonight. So we're not quite done just yet. And the system that's driving it is a weak front way up to the north. This is going to continue to slide on by, and as it does, it's going to kick those showers and storms, but we're still seeing that feed of moisture and warm temperatures up our way. While it's not going to be quite as hot in the next couple of days, we're still going to see those above average temperatures and still feel the humidity at least a little bit. Still 10 p.m. scattered showers and thunderstorms around the area. These are going to settle out of here. We could see an isolated shower early tomorrow. That chance will go. We'll see clearing skies into the afternoon. Good looking second half of your Monday. Tuesday looks great. I think a mostly sunny setup for the day. Increasing clouds on Wednesday, and late in the day a shower or thunderstorm becomes a possibility. So at midnight, 75, warm with showers and thunderstorms possible. Into tomorrow morning, maybe an isolated shower. Most of those out of the picture. 70 degrees. Still on the muggy side. A little less humid for the afternoon. Partly to mostly sunny skies and 86 degrees. Over the next 4 days here, temperatures are going to drop into the mid-80s. This is still well above average. We typically see highs in the upper 70s to low 80s this time of year. But into Thursday, after Wednesday's cold front, temperatures down into the mid-70s for Thursday and Friday. And then they start to bump up a little bit for that last hurrah of summer into the Labor Day weekend.
All right, everyone's talking about the weather on this Friday night heading into the weekend. Meteorologist Ray Petelin right in the mix of all that snow at Winterfest. Hi, Ray.
Yeah, that snow's still coming down here. We have the natural flakes, and you hear that hiss in the background. That's them pumping out the snow behind me with their snow gun since the temperatures are cold enough. It's 24 degrees here. As long as those temps are below 28 degrees, these guns can fire off the snow, and they're going to be making tons of that tonight, although they picked up about 6 inches of natural snow over the course of today. Now, Outside in Pittsburgh, we have mostly cloudy skies, a few random flakes and around, 28 degrees, humidity 92%, and those winds out of the west-southwest at 11 miles per hour. Temperatures around the region basically following suit. You're looking at upper 20s in most cases, 28 in Pittsburgh, West Mifflin, Washington, Morgantown, Butler, 29 Newcastle, then a couple spots in the mid-20s like Franklin and DuBois. Down in Deep Creek, it is 21 degrees right now. In Pittsburgh, we made it up to 32 degrees after a low this morning at 29, so not a big change in temps throughout the course of the day. Average 36, so this was a below average day when it comes to that high temperature. Now, tomorrow morning, even though those temperatures will be down into the 20s, we're actually going to see a rebound into the lower 30s again. So not a huge change in temperatures over the course of your Saturday, but it will feel much colder once you factor in the breezy conditions tomorrow morning. 15 is what it's going to feel like in Pittsburgh. Single-digit wind chills for Deep Creek and Somerset. So it is going to feel rather cold outside when all is said and done. Now, looking at the satellite and radar, you can see we have some spotty snow showers around southwestern Pennsylvania. As we look in, you can see that those snow showers where you get those little darker blues, that's an indication of a steadier snow shower. This could leave a quick coating and leave things slick. Keep that in mind, that this is the way the weather is going to be going here for the next couple days. You see these little bursts of snow come in, and then tomorrow morning, this is 8 a.m., we catch a break. Ridges still seeing some of those snow showers. Now, into tomorrow afternoon, you can see that that snow tries to make a comeback into the area. A few snow showers up to the north, but as we get later into the day, more snow showers around the area. Again, this is going to leave some quick coatings around the area. It could leave things slick. So tomorrow morning, 25 degrees, scattered snow showers, wind chills down into the teens. And then as we head into the afternoon, you're only looking at highs in the mid-30s. With those winds at about 10 to 15 miles per hour, it will certainly feel colder outside. Over the next 4 days, temperatures stick and stay in the 30s. We're looking at low to mid 30s through Monday. A little warmer Tuesday. Then your 4-day plus 4 more shows those temperatures are going to stay cold with even hit or miss snow showers as we go through the week. So this is a very winter-like pattern. I'm in a safe haven up here amongst people who love this snow. I'm a little bit afraid to head back to the station. See, now they're throwing it at me. Head back to the station for work tomorrow, where we're going to see some of those snow showers still around the area. But at least up here, it's appreciated, except for that one guy right there.